Hello. Sometimes we're carrying a lot of tension and we don't even know how much. So this is a place we're going to squeeze the tension out of our bodies part by part. So find a way to get comfortable lying down on your back. Separate your arms away from your body and separate your legs away from each other. You can close your eyes or look up at the sky or the ceiling as we go through this. So start by focusing on your toes and curl them tight, 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 like you're trying to pick up a pencil. Squeeze them and then release them. And maybe spread your toes wide. Do it one more time. Squeeze the toes tight, like you're picking up a pencil, and let them go. Now focus on your feet and point your toes away from your body and feel the stretch across the front of your foot. And then relax. Let your toes turn up. One more time. Send them forward. Let them go. Now we're going to press out through the soles of our feet as if you were standing on the floor. Press, press, press. Let your toes go right up towards the ceiling and feel this back of your legs and the sensation there. And then release it. One more time. Flex your feet. Press out through your soles and then release. Now squeeze your bottom and your legs. Tight, 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 tight. And then release. And then squeeze your legs together. Squeeze your bottom and release it. And separate the legs again. Take a big breath in and hold it. What does it feel like to be this full? And then let it go. One more. Hold it. Now take a nice breath in and exhale all the way. Squeeze your belly and then let it go. One more time. Empty, empty, empty. And release. And now focus on your hands and your fingers. Squeeze your hands into fists. Squeeze them so tight that maybe your arms start to shake. Hold it, hold it, hold it, and then let it go. Spread your fingers. Relax your hands and your arms down and rest. And then do it one more time. Arms can lift. Hands squeeze into fists. Squeeze it tight, 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 and let it go. Now, focus on your shoulders. Let your shoulders squeeze up towards your ears. If you liked squeezing your hands, you can add them in. Tight, 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 and let it go. And one more time, squeeze the shoulders up like a turtle trying to get back into his shell. Squeeze it tight, 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 and then let it go. Now, focus on your face. Let your eyes get squinty. Wrinkle your nose. Purse your lips like you tasted a sour lemon. Squeeze your face. Tight, 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 tight. And then let it relax. One more time. Squeeze it tight. Let it go. Last one. Clench your jaw. Bring your teeth together. Tight, tight, tight. And then drop your jaw. And again. Clench your teeth. Tighten your jaw. Tight, tight, tight. Oh, and let's not forget the tongue. Stick it out. Let it go. Let's try the tongue again. Stick it out. Let it go. Now, let's do the whole body. Curl your toes, squeeze your legs, clench your fists, squeeze your shoulders, tighten your face. Tight, 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 tight. And let it all go. Ah.